Press the button to turn on the HF8R. The light sequence indicates that the HF8R is in adaptive light beam mode. This revolutionary technology allows a truly hands-free experience, enabling the headlamp to dim and focus automatically, providing the perfect light output for any occasion without having to manually adjust the headlamp. To change between the 3 other white light functions, press the button again. Low power, mid power, and power. The end of the sequence has now been reached, and any further pressing of the button will cause the lamp to switch off. Thanks to the memory function, the last settings used, such as brightness level, are stored and reactivated when you switch on the lamp. Quickly press the button twice to activate the boost mode for 10 seconds, which activates the maximum lumen power of the lamp. The boost mode is always available, regardless of what light mode the lamp is in, and even when the lamp is turned off. You always have the option to activate the patent-pending Digital Advanced Focus System and control the headlamp yourself via the convenient focus wheel. By turning the wheel, you can switch virtually seamlessly between spot and flood mode. Moreover, the HF8R has an additional red front light. Keep the power button pressed for 2 seconds to change the light color from white to red and vice versa. You can also directly access RGB mode by holding the button for 2 seconds when the light is turned off. The red light will help maintain your night vision. The HF8R Core is rechargeable via magnetic charge system. The headband is designed with a silicone element at the back, which makes it extremely comfortable and can be easily adjusted. The comfort pad is easily attachable and can be removed at any time. To install the overhead band, first open the back loop of the headgear. To do this, first loosen the loop above the buckle. Now you can pass the visible end piece of the overhead band through the buckle. Now the loop is loosened, and you can pull the end piece through the middle opening of the silicone band. Finally, you can attach the buckle on the other end of the overhead band to the designated hook on the lamp head mount. To control and customize the HF8R headlamp from your phone, you can connect it to our Ledlenser Connect app via Bluetooth. Follow the instructions in the app. As soon as the HF8R blinks twice, it is connected and can now be controlled remotely. You can also activate other light functions, such as the SOS and Alpine emergency signal via app. You can also activate the emergency light via Ledlenser Connect app. If the power fails while your HF8R is charging, it will automatically turn on, provided it is connected to a power source via the charging cable. Many other app functions, such as individual switch programming of the lamp or timer functions, are available via paid upgrade. To avoid your HF8R accidentally turning on, especially during transport, you can use the transportation lock. Keep the button pressed for 5 seconds while the lamp is turned off. First, the light will turn red. Next, the white light will blink twice. You have successfully enabled the transportation lock. To disable the transportation lock when you are ready to use the HF8R again, keep the button pressed for 5 seconds until the light blinks twice. Then transportation lock is disabled and the headlamp is ready to be used.
Power up with Ledlenser.